gonna take me forever to edit. When am I going to learn to shut up? When? I don't know. I've never learned how to shut up in my life, so why would I begin now? Hello everybody, it's Cindy. Welcome back to my channel, and guess what day it is? It's been a long day at work. I'm coming home. I had to put on my face again. Are my brows even? Is my eyeliner good? No, probably not. I don't want to talk about it. I am excited about this. Again, I'm still flying off of that high from last month's Boxyluxe. For the first time ever in receiving Boxycharm, I have not looked at the spoilers. Now, I got on Instagram the other day and I happened to see boxes and I'm like, oh, okay, I guess I did have it spoiled for me a little bit. But I'm looking forward to this, and it's going to be a definite surprise to me. I have an idea what the main items are, but I'm ready to get surprised. Again, I'm not looking forward to anything in particular, so let's just get on into this. Got my trusty... That could have been bad. Wow, 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 wow. Is it an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis flash facial? Maybe. Because then they're going to sell me stuff. And do you really want to deal with that? No, I don't want to deal with it either. This month's Boxycharm theme is Au Natural. I got variation number 2. All right, this I am excited to try. This will be my third Elemis product now. I got the Elemis cream back in the December Boxyluxe, which I absolutely adored. I have the Elemis Superfood, so this will be the second superfood item from the skincare, limited edition skincare box. I started to use it and then I couldn't tell if it was breaking out my skin or if something else was, so I haven't gone back to it. I'm still doing the elimination thing. Oh, I wonder if this is going to look weird if I do use this green screen. Ooh. Might be looking weird right now. The Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and it says it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. Always looking forward to new masks. I do have a lot of masks at the moment, so it might be a little while before I try this. The retail price on that listed is $35. I kind of like Boxycharm's little card here because guess what? They don't put a huge paragraph of information. Next thing... Ooh, Luxy Gaia. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Okay. All right. Don't get me wrong. Environmental science is my background. Here's the thing, though. When you start studying it and you start studying like waste management, sometimes you realize just how futile it feels to actually recycle something. Because there's an awful lot of energy in producing these little things and recycling them. Actually, reusing is the best thing to do. If you're looking at the EPA hierarchy of how you should handle waste, the first thing is reusing where you can. So, you know, your mom reusing her Cool Whip container, hey, that's the first step you should take. The second is recycling. So basically taking something and converting it into something new or even back to its old use, but you had to like kind of break it down, sterilize it. So that's recycling. The next one is waste to energy, where essentially burning trash or burning refuse to generate energy, whether it's steam or electricity. And then of course the fourth is, you know, landfill. Who wants to do that? I'm talking way too much about this. I don't know if people find this interesting or not. I guess you can recycle it. The problem for me is, and this might be, I have to look into the statistics on this, but you know, for much of the country, it might actually cost you to recycle. And in my case, I do. My community does not. First of all, I have to pay for my own trash pickup. It's not provided to me by a city or anything. So I have to pay for that, for them to come pick it up. Then in order to have them recycle it, which they would actually make money off of, if they did it correctly, I also have to pay on top of that to do any kind of recycling. So when you're already paying for your garbage and then you have to pay for recycling on top of that, it's like, I'll just put everything in the garbage. And I hate to say that. I hate to say that I do that, but I do. Some places won't tell you this, but if they think they can do any kind of recovery from waste to recycle it, they will. I'm not saying that, it's okay to throw everything away. No. It's definitely better than the plastic because at least this will somewhat, even if it goes to a landfill, if it ends up out in the world somewhere where it's being hit with a lot of precipitation or whatever, it's actually going to biodegrade a lot more quickly than plastic. So that's good. Okay, that's enough. That is enough about the recycling. Nobody cares about the recycling. Oh, let's get out these brushes. And I love getting Luxie brushes. I love Luxie brushes. They're so wonderful and high quality. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I love to use these little brushes like this for packing color on my lid. And then of course using concealer to do a nice cut crease. And then this is, I think, a blending brush of some sort. So I'm always down for blending brushes. Now, the only thing that I may not be crazy about on this, and I'm trying to remember if my other Luxie brushes are the same way, but these are white brushes, so that means they're going to stain really, really easily. But I'm assuming this is a foundation. Yep, that's what it says. Luxie 510 foundation. So this is a foundation brush, which I love. I love these for doing concealer. I know not everybody likes this kind of foundation brush, but I like it. Just for, blending out my concealer because I'm not the biggest sponge person. The handle on this shows more of a wood feeling to it. Still feels smooth, but it's also got a roughness. I'm assuming that this must be made from sustainable materials. Luxie brushes are amazing and I'm very excited to get some. What have I been talking about for 20 minutes now? I don't know, because I'm just a chatty Cathy, I guess. Next up, ooh. We've got a Butter London. I think this is an eyeshadow palette if I've, seen this correctly. But look at this. Look how pretty that flower detail is. That's really pretty. This says it's only 6 months on this. Is that something that they're trying to get us to accelerate using, or are the materials in here really going to go bad that quickly? I don't know. Ooh. Those colors are right up my alley. That's pretty. This is a very nice edited palette. The only thing is that there are a few colors that are a little bit similar. But I live for these teal blues and this olive green color. I live for those. Well, I think I forgot to mention. So the Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set retails for $30. And the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette retails for $32. Moving on. Ooh, okay. I don't know how to say this. This is really pretty. I'm happy, but I kind of wish I had something else because this is going to mark I think this is the 5th or the 6th lip gloss I have gotten in the last 3 months. I know that I've ranted about lip glosses before, or if I have, maybe I cut it out of the video. I don't remember, but I'm starting to get a little bit more on board, but I'm still not there. I don't like putting things on my lips that are going to make the lipstick that I purposely picked out so I wouldn't have to keep reapplying it all day. Just like slide off my lips just for a nice little moment of looking juicy on my lips. I'm not a China doll. I'm a working mom. I gotta go out. I gotta work. I'm gonna be wiping my mouth. I'm gonna be eating. No, you know this girl gonna be eating. I'm gonna be drinking my water. I'll be doing things. And whenever I put a lip gloss over my lipstick, it's gonna just slide right off and look messy. And I'm not here for that. And yakking. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss in Corazon. And this is very pretty packaging. Look at that. Look at the glitter. And that's like one of my favorite colors. I love that teal. If I haven't mentioned it already. So this is beautiful. And here's the thing though. I have, again, you've seen me rave about Alamar before. I've loved everything that I've tried from Alamar. I have yet to have a bad product from them. We'll just put it that way. Now gloss, don't you be that product. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract. What the heck is buckthorn? Camellia. One of these days I'll get my pronunciations right. Let's go camellia oil. This mother of pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky. Yeah, right. They all say that. Gluten-free. Come on, people. Do we really care? Oh. I bet with lip products we do care. A celiac could lick their lips and that could be an issue. Okay, I get it. All right. I'll let you get away with the gluten-free on that one. Gluten-free hair products, skincare products, we don't care so much about. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. Pretty. I want to say it's almost like a fake pina colada scent. Like I smell a little bit of the pineapple scent. I have a mirror. Let's do that instead of using the viewfinder and missing our lips. Okay. Oh. Dropped on me. It says, I want to get away from this crazy lady. Just ruined the thing too because I had lipstick on it. There's stuff all over the applicator now. So it did make it a little bit more goldish. Wipe off this applicator. This applicator, I'm thinking, is too much of work. That is the Alamar lip gloss. I'm gonna guess that it's higher end, but it's probably not too pricey because I feel like Alamar is like, it's good stuff, but it's not overly pricey. I could be wrong though. Just depends. Oh yes. Yes. Okay, so the retail value of the Mother of Pearl gloss is $10. So, you know what? I don't wear gloss, so I'm probably never going to pick it up. I'm sure she has other colors that might be like darker than this, but you know, $10 is really reasonable price for a nice lip gloss. But do I think it's sticky? Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It's a pretty good gloss. It's just, I'm probably not the girl that you want to sell gloss to. I'm sorry. Don't want any more. I should probably stop opening these type things, but you know, that's probably what I should have done. I should have like not opened like some of my other previous lip glosses and like held it out to either give to like coworkers or family or held it out for an eventual giveaway. I don't know. Finally, I have kind of a repeat, but not completely. I'm really excited because I have enjoyed the one that I've gotten recently from my Yes Oh Yes box. And it is an Appeal Cosmetics gel liner. And I've got it in the shade Deep Taupe, which is more of a brownie shade here. But yes, I got the emerald green one in my Yes Oh Yes box, and I have used it a few times and I really enjoy it. I really like how it glides on. I was a little bit concerned that maybe it wasn't able to be sharpened, but it totally is. I really enjoy it. We go, put that on. It glides on very smoothly, and I love this kind of brown shade. So the retail value on that is $21. How I feel about the box this month? Well, I am excited to try all of these. I'm sure all the people who hadn't gotten an eyeshadow palette in a while, who were jonesing for one, are excited. And this is beautiful packaging. Excited to try something from Butter London. I've heard good things about the brand, so excited for that. And always love getting Lexi brushes. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I forgot to add up the total value of the box. You would think that I would just get a calculator, but I never remember to. Besides, again, this keeps my mind sharp. The total value of my box was $128. I'm very excited to try all these products. I can't say that this is this is a very good box. I enjoyed it. And you know what? Honestly, you know, aside from April's stuff, Boxycharm's been really hitting the mark for me lately. So it's been pretty good. And even towards the beginning of the year, I mean, I actually really liked the products that they sent me, the variations and everything. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I'm not as active as I should be on them. Both home life and work life are very hectic right now. If you want me to go follow me on those, it's great. If you'd like to leave a comment down below, love to hear from you. I will try and answer them, or at the very least, if I really like your comment, heart it. Have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you are watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.